Hello guys, welcome to my new channel that is Law Circle. Here in this channel, I will teach you about some law subjects which will help enough for your competitive law exams and will be sufficient for your LLB and for your masters also. So basically I will teach you in a very simple manner so that you can help so that it can help you to learn and understand. That is the schools of jurisprudence, where we will only learn today about the historical school. In the historical school, the proponents of the historical school states that this school, according to this school, the law is related with the society. It's related with the customs, people, and history and the past. The school refers about the customs, about the people, and the history of the past combined together, and all this combined together to make law. These three elements combine together to make law, and law is one of the result of this. Law lies in the human conduct and the study of the past of law. Our society needs has some needs which determines behavior, and with this it also states that the time changes with the needs and it changes also with the behavior of the society. So it's very clear that the historical school is mainly related with the society. It denotes it lies in the human conduct and the past of law. It's also combined together with the custom, people, and the history, that is our past. So, history, we know that it's totally related with our past, and with the growing changes of our society, everything needs to be changed. Same as our society has some needs, and with the time frame of the society, it changes its needs, and basically, it also and accordingly, it changes the behavior of the society. Now, one of the most important proponents of the historical school is Montesquieu. Montesquieu is the first jurist of historical school. He has written one of the most popular book, that is Spirit of Laws. And according to him, law must keep pace with the changing needs of the society. If our society is changing with the time, law must also be framed according to the needs of the society. Next, one of the most important proponents is Savigny, who has written a book, Vom Beruff, where it's written that the customs precedes legislations. In the year 1800, Germany was divided into 400 kingdoms. It's stated in the book of Vom Beruff written by Savigny, and had diverse law which affected the commerce and many more. Anton Beau, one of the civil law professor, has tried to make unified German law code, which reached to Savigny. However, Savigny was a Roman law expert. Savigny has formulated one of the most important theory, Volksgeist theory, which means Volk means people and Gist means common will of the people. It totally all over it means general will of the people, where law has its roots, means law has its roots in the general will of the people. According to Savigny, law has a national character because it is concerned with the needs of the society. Law is found, it grows organically. Laws grows and develops with the needs of the society, which you cannot apply in other countries. Law has no universal application because you cannot apply in other countries. Law, language, and governance is not different from its people. So according to Savigny, law is the three important points which Savigny wants to explain in the historical school is: law has its national character, law grows with the needs of the society, Law is found, not man-made. Law grows and it develops with the needs of the society, and in fact law has no universal application because you cannot apply it other countries. Law, language and governance, it's not different from its people. Next, one of the most important, third important proponent of the historical school is Henry Maine. Henry Maine has formulated the concept of legal fiction. According to him, progressive societies implement laws on societies based on future positive changes. For their protection, you create laws. It has also stated that the status to contract in traditional society and the rights and obligations are based on their social status. Upper caste obligations are based upon that and vice versa. Lastly, but in the progressive societies, they move to contract from social status, whereas in traditional society, it was from status to contract, but in the progressive societies, they have forwarded from contract to contract from social status. In contract, there are free negotiations, obligations is based upon contract. Lawmaking process is a process of transformation so that society can move to contract from status, from contract to status. It has tried to implement the laws of progressive societies on the societies because it's based on future positive changes. I hope guys you can relate that what was written in the first line and what is written in the last line. So Henry Maine has tried to formulate legal fiction concept, and he has formulated legal fiction concept, and he has tried to make progressive societies and tried to implement the laws based on the future positive changes. So basically lawmaking process is a process of transformation so that our society can move to contract from status. So guys, here you can see in your many competitive exams like entrance exams in the UGC net law that who has formulated the concept of legal fiction. So there will be MCQs type questions. So basically I hope it's very easy and clear to you, and you can also see questions like which of the proponent has formulated the progressive society, and according to whom law is a process of transformation so that society can move to contract from status. These are the key. Next, one of the most important proponent of the historical school, and lastly, that is Puchta. Not only state or society, according to him, is that not only state or society can make laws, but there is general will and self-interest of individual. And if there is any conflict between the two, state can only intervene at that time so that they can regulate the system. State comes into play at only that time when there is a conflict between the general will and the self-interest of individual. General will is the will of the society, and self-interest is the will of the individual. And general will and self-interest can nourish states when states generate such a situation. So it can prevail only at that time when states create such an situation that the general will and self-interest can prevail together. State or society is not alone the source of law. Here it's clearly written that not only state or society can make laws. Man like to live in unity, and this unity is a ground for general will. I hope guys all these proponents are very clear to you, and this is the summary of historical school, of which the proponents are Montesquieu, Savigny, Henry Maine and Puchta. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can see more upcoming videos